Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best docking station in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these docking station, you can check out the links in the description below. Our list at number 1. USB 3.0 Universal Docking Station. Dual HD displays, built-in HDMI and DVI outputs, support resolutions up to 2560 x 1440 at 60 Hz, allowing you to enjoy super clear image on a bigger screen. Extra DVI HDMI converter lets you to connect dual HDMI monitors at the same time. Widely compatibility, equipped with USB-C, DVI to HDMI and DVI to VGA adapters for flexible host connectivity, suitable for users who need multiple monitors to work simultaneously at home or office. Compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, XP, and macOS 10.14+. Fast data transfer, offers 6x USB 3.0 ports for simultaneously connecting multiple USB peripheral devices such as keyboard, mouse, flash disk etc. Solve the problem of lack of computer sockets. USB 3.0 ports support 5 Gbps transmission speed and transmit files in seconds, which is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. 13-in-1 docking station, designed with 13 ports included 6x USB 3.0, Ethernet, HDMI, DVI, PC host, power input, headphone, and microphone. All-in-one meets the needs of your tedious work, making your work and life more convenient. 24 months warranty. It provides 2 years warranty and lifetime technical support and would solve your problem within 12 hours. Our list at number 2. USB 3.0 docking station dual monitor with HDMI and 4K DisplayPort. Full-feature dock, USB 3.0 Type A dock with dual monitor options, HDMI and DisplayPort, 4x USB-A 5 Gbps ports, 1 fast charge, gigabit Ethernet, headset audio port, and case slot for securing the dock. Flexible display setup. This docking station supports different display options with dual monitors DP and HDMI, single DP, 4K 30 Hz, or single HDMI, up to 2560 into 1440p. USB-A laptop compatibility. This DisplayLink certified laptop computer docking station works with new or legacy laptops from brands like HP, Dell, Lenovo, Microsoft Surface Pro, and Chromebooks. Wide operating system compatibility. This universal laptop docking station fully supports major operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS. Plenty of USB ports. This USB 3.0 port replicator has a 4-port downstream USB-A hub, 5 Gbps superspeed, including one always-on BC 1.2, 1.5A, fast charge port that can charge without a connected host. Our list at number 3. USB-C and USB-A dock hybrid universal triple monitor laptop docking station. Flexible multi-display setup. USB 3.1 Gen 2 10 Gbps Type-C dock supports dual or triple monitor setup, up to 3x 4K 60 Hz, using any combination of the 3x DisplayPort 1.4 and 3x HDMI 2.0 with HDR ports. 85W power delivery. Power and charge USB-C Thunderbolt 3 workstation laptops Ultrabooks Intel Lenovo X1 Carbon, ThinkPad P Series, Dell Latitudes, Precision, XPS 15, HP Spectre, Zbook. Universal DisplayLink docking station. Hybrid dock Intel. Combo 2-in-1 USB-C USB-A USB-if certified host cable, supports up to 3 extended displays on MacBook Pro Air with Intel, M1, or M1 Pro Max, Windows, macOS and Chrome OS. 6-port USB hub. 4x USB-A, Intel 2x BC 1.2 fast charge always on front ports. USB-C Gen 1 and USB-A laptops will only support downstream port speeds up to USB 5 Gbps. Deployment ready. Docking station features a K-slot 1-meter combo host cable, mounting holes, gigabit Ethernet and headset ports, Windows, macOS, Chrome OS. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you for watching the video.